If you use Mailchimp and want to understand who your audience is, where they're coming from, and how your list is performing, audience analytics is one of the most useful places to start. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use audience analytics in Mailchimp step by step so you can quickly review your audience data and make better email marketing decisions. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides like this. First, open your browser and go to Mailchimp. Make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one brand or email list. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Audience. This is where Mailchimp stores your subscriber information, contacts, and audience-related reporting tools. After that, scroll down through the audience section until you see the option that says See Audience Analytics. Click that option to open your Audience Analytics dashboard. This page gives you a more detailed view of how your audience is growing and how your contacts are behaving over time. Now that you're on the Audience Analytics page, the next thing you want to do is choose your date range. At the top of the Analytics area, click on the Date Range selector. This lets you filter the data so you can view performance for a specific time period, such as the last 7 days, the last 30 days, or a custom range depending on what you want to analyze. Selecting the right date range is important because it helps you focus on the numbers that matter most. For example, if you recently launched a campaign or imported new contacts, changing the date range can help you see how your audience responded during that exact period. If you're comparing monthly growth or engagement, this filter makes your reporting much more accurate and useful. Once you've selected the date range you want, click Apply. Mailchimp will refresh the analytics and update the data based on your chosen period. This is the final step that loads your customized audience report, so make sure you click it after making any changes. From here, you can review the audience analytics and use the information to better understand your subscribers. Depending on what Mailchimp shows in your account, you may be able to see trends in audience growth, engagement, or contact activity. That information can help you decide when to send emails, what kind of content your audience responds to best, and whether your list is growing in the right direction. If you're using Mailchimp for email marketing, audience analytics is a great way to make smarter decisions instead of guessing. It helps you see what's working, what needs improvement, and how your audience changes over time. The more often you check it, the easier it becomes to spot patterns and improve your email strategy. And that's how to use audience analytics in Mailchimp. It only takes a few clicks, but it can give you valuable insights into your subscriber list. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.